What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and it's Liyah Joinee, and today we're going to be doing a sleek ponytail extended version. So you just need a brush, a comb, and also you need a toothbrush for your edges. So yeah, first off, we're going to just split our hair in the middle. You can make yours perfect, but I don't really mind mine's not being too perfect. And then you're going to take a spray bottle and spray your hair down. So now you're going to start sleeking your hair down. You have to make sure your hair is sleek to perfection, you know. So be sure to sleek it down really good and all that good stuff. I'm also taking out some edges at the top part so it can look more elegant. And I'm also taking an edge out on the sideburn as well. Okay, so now you're going to take about this much of gel. You're going to put that on your hair, and then I'm going to brush it down even more. You know, you have to make sure it's really sleek, okay? Make sure it's like really good. For this part, you're going to wet up your whole ponytail, and then you're going to add some gel on that ponytail as well, because you need this ponytail to be as flat as possible so your hair can blend into it with the weave. So right here, I'm just detangling it. This is a detangle brush I got from Dollar Tree, and you're going to use a wide tooth comb. Make sure it's detangled very good. So yeah, once again, I'm making sure everything is sleek down. I'm going back a second time to make sure my hair is really sleek. You can do this if you want to, but I'm just making sure it's really sleek. So that's all I'm doing. Okay, so now you're going to take your braided hair. I'm going to split it into two sections because you're not going to use that thick part for the first half of your ponytail. Of your braid. You're just going to use half of that, not the whole thing, okay? Use half of it, not the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and braid this up. I'm sorry I can't really show y'all like in detail of how I did that. It's pretty easy, but I might have to make a separate video or something. But you're going to take your second piece and add that on. You only add it on once you see that your hair is starting to get more thinner towards the end, so you just add more hair so it can keep it thick. Okay, so I had an extra piece saved over because this piece is the piece that you're going to wrap around your hair to cover up your ponytail. What's it called? A scrunchie. Yeah, cover up your scrunchie. So I'm going to be doing that, making sure it's all covered up so people don't see it. By the way, I'm taking this bobby pin and I'm going to pin it right there because there's a piece of the hair tie that was sticking out. So I just made sure to cover that up. And I'm also going to cover it up with my hair as well so it can be not noticeable. Now the edges part is pretty easy and simple. I'm just gonna put an edge at the front and also on my sides. By the way, you have to hold down the edge while you style it, so you can hold that little position that it's in. And that's all I'm doing. Okay, so we are all done. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right down below. Also, leave me some comments on any other videos you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It's Liyah Joinee, and I'm out. Peace.